Hi everyone, we welcome you at Technical Analysis World. And one more thing friends, this video is going to make in English because we are going to cover the Bitcoin and everyone will be able to understand, I promise you. First, I would like to say this is the technical analysis tutorial on Bitcoin. So here, first I would like to say thanks to TradingView team who has presented this Bitcoin timeline, and I will definitely share the Bitcoin timeline links below the video in description box. So friends, without wasting the time, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. So okay, fine. So time to start now. The first thing can come in our mind, who has started the Bitcoin and who is the father of the Bitcoin. So that answer you can get from this Jan 03 2009. I have already scrolled down this tutorial. So now I am going to move up. So this is the Bitcoin is born, but who's the father? That answer is hidden in this question, so you can get it from this link. And even one more thing I would like to clear: the blue color indicates there is a link. Okay, so if you want to know about that, then you just need to click on the blue color words, blue color letter. Okay, fine. Now time to move ahead. First ever exchange rate. So now it has been listed friends. So October 5th 2009, the first ever Bitcoin exchange rate was launched by the Pro Crypto website. Now time to move on the Bitcoin version 0.2 release on December 17. I will not take more time. Okay, so I will try to share the snapshots. March 03 2010, Bitcoin exchange 1. Pizza party May 22. Hope you can also enjoy the pizza while watching my video. So now pizza party, the first Bitcoin purchase ever. Friends, this was the first day, May 22, where Hennes buys two Papa John's pizza. Right? The guy, Laszlo, buys the two pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. So from this day, 22nd May, Bitcoin, people were started to use the Bitcoin as a currency. July 07, Bitcoin version 03 hits the serves. Right, so you can read everything from here. I will definitely share this link. August 8 2010, security gap starts to show. Friend, there is a, one need to, you need to take the precaution. I have heard lots of time, like if you forget your password, then you can lose your Bitcoin. So you need to confirm that things. November 6 2010, Bitcoin economy tops $1 million. Bitcoin had faced a bumpy road, but still growing. Jan 02 2011, the road hell is paved with silk. So you can read the infamous Silk Road website is launched on Jan 2 by One More Rose, who wanted to create a lowest dark web location. So you can get this you can read this. 1 minute friends, I would like to hide this. Yes, wait a minute, I'm going down. Yeah, we were here. The road to hell is paved with silk. BTC was trading at about only $0.30, friends. Can't believe. Feb 2009 to 11 greenback parity. So you can read about this parity. Bitcoin reaches $1, hits the headlines for all the right reasons. Price check: if you had bought $100 of Bitcoin on Feb 9 2011, by Feb 2009 you would have 9,74,700. But one more thing you need to know friends, stop loss, you can't get the read from the stop loss whether you trade with any kind of securities, any kind of stocks in the world, whether you go with the Bitcoin or any coin. April 16, 2011, mainstream media makes its move. So people had started to accept Bitcoin slowly and gradually. April 23, 2011, you can read this also. June 1, Pirate pushes up price. So this is interesting. You can read this also. Right, August 15, October 20, 2011, back to basics. I will not read each and every point because you can also read from the link which I will share with you guys. December 19, 2011, happy wife, happy price. Banks bite back. Friends, few banks were not agree with the Bitcoin transaction, so they started to pressure on Bitcoin. March 01, 2012, hacker hit. May 12, 2012, and hack again. Friend, this is a common problem with Bitcoin, so you just need to confirm it before trading with Bitcoin. And one more thing, friends, you don't need to buy each and every time. Just follow the chart signals. If you get the short signal, then you can go with the short, and whenever you get the buy signals, go with the buy. So trade with the trend is applicable in Bitcoin also. July 18, 2012, double digits returning, right? So the Bitcoin got the volatility. And one more thing I would like to share about the volatility. There is a phrase in our stock market: volatility is the velocity. So without volatility, you can't enjoy the ride and you can't enjoy trading in the market. August 17, 2012, Pirate Ponzi scheme. So you can read it. The Bitcoin Foundation, September 22, 2012, November 28, 2012. Halving day is equal to happy times. BitPay makes history. Bug breaks blockchain. Bitcoin busts through $100. Living on a Bitcoin. It was possible. Bitcoin takes a tumble. It's a part of the game. Silk Road gets seized. China charges in. You know, China is always take part in any kind of things, whether you discuss about the WhatsApp, Facebook, or even Bitcoin. So China can't stay out with this from this party. So they join this. China's foreign minister takes a positive stand. They gave the positive stand. It's a good thing. Then about break Bitcoin, China changes its tune. I told you. Box goes dark. Who is this guy? Will the real Satoshi please stand up? Bitcoin loses currency status in March 26, 2014. Disaster for the Bitcoin. June 13, 2014. With great power comes great responsibility. Friends, this is one of my favorite statement, one favorite quote I heard in the Spider-Man movie. Power comes with the responsibility. I love it. July 30, 2014, retailers get on board. Beerwell breaks the bank. This is amazing timeline, friends. You can enjoy it and you can get the all information about the Bitcoin. Bitstamps barrage. The currency comes into its own. Coinpult is compromised. Right. Even April 14, it's a good article. April 28, Coinbase comes to the UK. June 16, 15, get them to the Greek. Now, August 15, Bitcoin actually creates constitutional crisis. So, friends, remember ups and downs are the part of the game and our life also. September 18, CFTC cracked down on 2015. Shot in the arm. So, this is one of the base things. So, I am going up right now. The Japanese join the party. Blockchain takeover. Bitcoin gets a major boost. Brexitment, you just need to read this Brexitment on June 21, 2016. July 2009, July 9, 2016, sorry, second halving day. 2016, you can read this. I would like to focus only on the important point. We can't ignore this. November 9, 2016, Trump elected. Bitcoin China breakup in 2017. can be the sad news. Japan takes the lead. Japan officially recognized Bitcoin as legal tender. Russia joins the crowd. So this is the growing story about the Bitcoin, and just I told you growing story and got the new point, growing pains. But it's a pain, no pain, no gain. So friends, this is one of the best thing you can read, and you have the time right now, or you must read. All about the Swiss railway. Even you can get the Bitcoin chart also. And we will definitely analyze the Bitcoin at the end of the video. All-time high in 2017. South Korea takes a stand. Each and every country had started to support the Bitcoin. So this is the part of the story, friends, part of the growth. In the beginning, no one will support you, but after a few months, after a few years, each and every one, entire universe will start to support you. Feb 1, 2018, Chinese whispers. I will focus on a few points. Advertising ban, interesting. Crypto crash. Crash is the part of the any stocks, friends. Mining difficulty drops. Bitcoin turns 10. Pop and drop. Gotcha. So this is amazing, friends. Bitcoin futures आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे द न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज लॉन्चेस इट्स यू कैन सी फ्रेंड्स द न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज लॉन्चेस इट्स लॉन्ग अवेटेड मार्केट फॉर बिटकॉइन फ्यूचर्स. China gets back into the game. People's Bank of China closing close. So this is amazing, friends. Buffett gets his first Bitcoin. So this is we need to read a few lines from these articles. Feb 05 2020. Warren Buffett is not keen on Bitcoin in 2018. Whether so, Mr. Buffett had also started to take interest in this game called Bitcoin. Coronavirus hits cryptos. So friends, good news comes and never focus on the news, just track the chart. Bitcoin predicted to double. Never predict the market trends, just track the charts and follow the signals. You don't need to predict. You are not the astrologer, you are the trader. And always trade like a machine. Okay friends, so we are going to end this tutorial, and this is really nice. Even if you don't like to go with this kind of articles base, you can go with this infography chart also. You can get on the top of this link. So even you can go left and right. So this is also good. If you don't want to read pop and drop, you just need to click on the icon, and it will be appeared on your screen. And this is nice infography and looks good to read and catchy. Okay friends, so this is about the Bitcoin, and I promise you we will do the analysis also at the end of the video. So now time to move on the chart. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin future. We can easily get from the TradingView platform. This is absolutely free. The most interesting thing is that, friends, it has broken the uptrend line. Yeah, Bitcoin has broken this uptrend line and taken reaction on last trading session. So for the Monday, you need to keep one level in your mind, and that is the low. It can go down below 28,900. This is very important level for the Bitcoin for upcoming days. Now time to move on the weekly chart. On weekly chart, I have got the one point is that these last two red candles are inside this big green candle. So it can be in the conjunction zone, or you can see it can be choppy. Not choppy, but trading range can be bigger one. But you can say we need the breakout. I would like to show you. Below this low, this is the mother candle, this is the main candle. 28,440. Below that low, it can go down. And above 42,730, uptrend can be continued, friends. Okay, so these two levels are very important. Fine. So friends, I am going to end this Bitcoin tutorial and hope you have enjoyed this. And this is the first English video, and for all Bitcoiners, right? So everyone can understand these things. Okay, friends. So hope you will share this video with your trading community and all Bitcoiners. So friends, hope this will be enough for today, and see you in the next video. Till goodbye, take care, follow the stop loss.